how to change your learning language in HelloTalk. So for that, open your HelloTalk application, and after you have opened HelloTalk, just see this option. You will find your profile, so tap this profile option. Now you will find your name here. All right, so what you have to do is just press this arrow here. Now as you can see, it says your native language, and also it says the language you are learning. So you need to change this language to something else. So for example, tap here. Now you want to change this to Spanish, so just tap Spanish. After tapping Spanish, choose the level you are in. So I'm just typing beginner. So this is how you change it. So now you can see, if you go back, now you will find this Spanish. So this is how you change your learning language, and hope this video helpful. Thanks for watching and have a great day.